Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to export contacts in Mailchimp. This is Mailchimp.com website, and first I will log in to my account by filling my username and password here. Once you're inside your Mailchimp account, just click on All Contacts from this left side menu and below Audience, and scroll down a little bit and click on this Export Audience button. You're about to export all contacts from your audience. Click on Confirm Export button. Export started. They will email me at my email address once complete. This is the export contacts email message I received from Mailchimp. And to download my contact, just click on this download list data button. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Mailchimp online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to set up your Mailchimp account, how to manage your audience inside Mailchimp, also how to create a campaign and manage it, how to create landing pages and forms, integration and API, email customization and personalization, export and download, and also troubleshooting and maintenance. To get all of this today for free, plus these online courses in my university, all you need to do is to go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. This is my contacts once downloaded to my computer. As you can see, it's in a zip format. Let's double click it to export, to decompress it. They are organized in 3 files. The first is the cleaned email addresses, the subscribed ones, and also the unsubscribed contacts. Let's open the subscribed email list or contacts list. This is an Excel file. It has the email addresses, the first name, last name, address, phone number. This is, I think, a group I created in my Mailchimp account. Also the opt-in time, the opt-in IPs, the confirm time, the geolocation of my contacts in Mailchimp, the time zones, and also notes and tags. And this is how to export contacts in Mailchimp. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.